Anyone care to explain how using your old way of trading would explain how earnings could be record earnings by Microsoft and the stock goes down? Anyone at all? Because I can. I can explain it. Da, 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 da. Morning, peeps. I don't even know who's here. Let's see. We are live on TikTok. Du, 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 du. Good morning to everyone. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Where are we? I have no idea. Where am I? No, that's not what I want to do. Oh, yeah, that's what I got to do. If anyone can explain. Bippity boppity boo. Bippity. Oops, hold on. Negative? Oh, come on now. Ah, there we are. Okay, now we're good. Now, are we on everywhere else? I do not know. Can any of you explain how Microsoft had 60 how Microsoft had incredible earnings and price went down 12%. Come on. I want anyone to be able to explain this. Come on. Who out there wants to explain this? I'll wait. Without using the safety trade system, cheaters, without using the safety trade system. Go ahead. I'll sit here and wait. Good morning, everybody on TikTok, YouTube, Twitter, Twitch, Facebook.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Good morning, Grant. Anyone at all wants to speak up, call in, message in, anybody at all wants to type in, message, do whatever you're going to do. And please explain to me how on earth a company as big as Microsoft can report earnings with net income rising 60%. Go ahead. I want to hear it. Without using the safe trade system, no cheating. All right. Good morning, Grant. Good morning, Shalita. Good morning, Miss Shalita. Good morning, Paul Orlando. What's up, Paul? And Bradley, good morning. And Jones 808, good morning. And Annie, what's up, Miss Annie Leland? Good morning, Kirk Brown. Thank God there's some women here this morning, I swear. Good morning, Kirk. Yesterday, there was no women here right away anyways. Not that I remember. Then they came on. Good morning, El Flaco. Good morning, Grant again. 12-hour. Don't. That's cheating. Rigapot tumors. What? Sam K. Somebody knows more than us. Or some RSI. Eights. Good morning, Mr. Gold. All right. So no one has a rational. I'm waiting. I want to know the mainstream's teachings on how do they teach us that if earnings come out and they're incredible and they're the best ever and 60% goes up, then why did the stock? So how, if they're teaching us the CEO wore an ugly shirt at earnings now. See, I mean, it makes no sense. I was always taught that if earnings were great, stock will go up. Yeah. Now I believe monkeys will fly out of my ass before earnings mean anything. It means nothing, Jon Snow. Nothing. Zero. Earnings mean nothing. Oh, but blah, 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 blah. Nope. There's no explanation for it. No one can explain it on TikTok. No one can explain it on YouTube. No one can explain it on Facebook. No one can explain it on X. No one on earth can explain how Microsoft came out with fantastic earnings, net income up by 60%, and the stock is down 12%. I can. You guys can if you have the system. Good morning, Marley Mar. I'm waiting. Good morning, Erica. Look, we have like 4 or 5 women this morning. Yay. I'm waiting. So anybody want to give up and say they can't explain it? Without the safety trade system, how do you explain it? Kev, are we doing VIP today? Yes, we'll be doing VIP for a couple hours. Well, for an hour at least afterwards. What's up, Cody? Good morning. No, Sam K, you can't explain it, and no one can explain it using normal, whatever you want to call their bullshit teachings. Price earnings go up, the stock goes up. It's 101. That's what I was taught in college. I actually have a couple degrees, believe it or not. I'm just a dumbass. Oh, not that college means anything, by the way. Zero. College is another waste of fucking time. But again, there is anyone on TikTok. TikTok's awfully quiet. TikTokers, hello, y'all are all so smart. Go ask one of the little gurus on there about how price earnings can come out and the stock can go down, the worst day in 5 years. Come on. You understand? Well, you're beating a dead horse. We get your point. We understand. No, you don't. No, you don't. No, you don't. The lies they teach doesn't just end with price earnings. Oh, earnings, yeah, good earnings, stock goes up. The bullshit they teach us permeates everything you've ever been taught on any subject, but I'm going to stick with finance or trading. Yeah. So here's a thought. Here's a thought. I agree with Kirk. Morning, persistent. They say because of data system. It doesn't even make sense what they say. Everything they teach us is a lie, or 99.9% of it. They can't come up with anything. So they say data center. They have to pay for their own data centers. Well, if they make 60% fucking net income increase every fucking quarter, I think they'll be okay. They don't have any. So the explanation is everything you've ever been taught, well, 99.999% everything you've ever been taught regarding trading is wrong. And they're lies, including, and this is a specific example of this. If you guys don't have an explanation of why this occurred, and you all are very smart on TikTok, you're very smart on YouTube, you're very smart on Twitter and Twitch and Facebook Live, you're very smart everywhere. We all know, and we're taught that if price earnings came out and it was incredible, that the stock would go up. There's no other way around it. There's no other bullshit. There's no other lies they can tell you. That's what was taught. Sevens, if anyone out there was taught that if price earnings came out and they were good, the stock would go up. Sevens, if you understand that they're lying to you. Sevens, that this isn't the only lie. Sevens, if you understand that they are lying on multiple levels, including that RSI works. Lie. They're also lying that price earnings matter. They do not. They also lie on everything they teach you as far as ascending, descending wedges. Look to the left. Fibonacci retracement. Sevens, if you understand, lie after lie after lie comes out of their mouths to keep us poor, so that when the earnings come out and they go down, they knew it was going to go down, but everybody else had bet that it was going to go up. So everybody else, the retail investors, as things so nicely pointed out, they actually then what? They lied, and then the institutional investors knew it was going to go down. They collect all your stop losses because you guys all, well, everyone doesn't have a system, thought it was going to go up. Sevens, if you understand, this is a complete and utter bullshit. You have to understand that what you're being taught as far as support and resistance goes is a lie. If you can't explain how these earnings went up 60 net income increase 60 fucking percent. First of all, what kind of illegal things that some company as big as Microsoft is doing, I don't know. How do they increase their net income by 60%? That's exceptionally good. That's incredible. And then the stock goes down 12%, the worst day it's ever had in 5 years. There is no explanation at using the normal, traditional ways, the old ways of trading. There is no explanation. Good morning, Barani. I'm just ripping the news to pieces. Happy rising, Taraya Edwards. I want y'all to understand. Did I skid her? Yeah. No, wrong one. There you go. Happy rising, Taraya. Good morning, Jake. Thank you again for all your help, sir. Good morning, Barani again. We're just on here and people are just dying. Well, Kevin's just spent the last 15 minutes ripping us and yelling at us and telling us that, well, because where's the answer? Martar isn't dumb. Bradley isn't dumb. Kirk isn't dumb. Paul isn't dumb. Annie is definitely not dumb. Sam isn't dumb. Jake isn't dumb. But yet they all talk. I'm telling you, the lies don't stop with earnings. Good earnings equals good trading. The stock symbol goes up. That's not their only lie. They lie about everything. Am I getting through to you guys? Yes or no? Am I getting through to you that they lie? I mean, it's right here. Look, right there. Right. That is, you get the idea. It's right over there. I mean, I don't know how else to explain this to you other than everything 99.99. I'm sure they'll find, well, you said everything. Okay. 99.9999 things they're talking about trading freaking lies. How about that? I'll take back the 100% and I'll say 99%. I don't know what they've ever taught us that's true. Can anyone think of anything they taught us that's true? I don't know. I can't think of one thing they've ever taught us that's true, but can anyone ever think that's accurate and true about trading? It doesn't go up 3 times and down 3 times. You can trade on Mondays and Sundays. Those aren't trap days. I don't know what have I been ever taught? Because I was taught you can't trade under 15 minute, definitely not under 5 minute. It makes no sense. Fucking lie. Name one thing we're taught as trading that's true. Go ahead, I'll wait. Good morning, Alex. What's up, Alex? TikTokers. Come on. I want to know because I want to know what's something. Maybe I'm missing it. I'm sure I am. There's got to be something out there. There's got to be something. Here. Name. I don't know. Name one thing because there has to be something I was taught. So I'm really hoping you guys can think of something. Name one thing they taught us about trading that's true. Go ahead. I would like to know. Name one thing about trading that they taught us that's true. Can anyone name one thing? I don't know. I mean, I don't know. I don't know. Good fucking morning, Kev. What's up? Glad to be watching. Expose these crooks. What's up, Cody? Thank you, Cody. I got to post this comment, even though he did say a little thing in there. I think it's funny. Good effing morning, Kev. Glad to be watching you. So go ahead. I want to know. Maybe I'm 100% wrong, and 99% of the things they taught us is true. So 99%. I can't think of one thing they taught us is true. Can you guys think of one thing they taught us that is true? I don't know. I mean, like, what do I mean? Like RSI, like volume VWAP, like Fibonacci retracement. I don't know. Name anything. Name price earnings. It's all a pack of fucking lies. Everything. Start naming some shit, guys. You guys really think everything's been rigged too? Jesus. That's funny as fuck. What? They have a bad reputation. Everyone's quiet. Am I still alive? Can anyone name anything regarding trading? Blessed morning to you, Orlando. Can anyone name one thing okay, first of all, we should be able to name 99.9% of the things they taught us is true, but we can't. There's no way I can name 99. I'm trying to find one damn thing they taught us. TikTokers, honestly, there's about 20 of you over there. YouTubers, there's about 30 of you over there, and another 10 or so on Facebook and all the rest of you. So 60, 70 of us, and we can't think of one truth? See, Cardman, there you go. Here's Cardman. We're stoking the fire a little bit. Good morning, Stephen. There you go. Cardman's catching on. So it all moves together like a school of fish, and your system decides it. Crickets. Or decodes it, yeah. Decodes it's a better word. VWAP bullshit. No, VWAP. Come on. VWAP, and volume and VWAP in those order blocks. It was order blocks. Wasn't it order blocks with VWAP? I can never remember their shit. Yeah, no, that doesn't work worth a shit. But, I can't think of anything. It's all bullshit. Nope. Orlando Walters, we know RSI is wrong 93% of the time. You guys can't say it's not. Again, I know that there's got to be one thing that's true. I just can't think of the one thing. Let's go over I'm sure we can go into here. Uh-oh, let's do that again. And we have about 15 minutes. All right, now. Head and Shoulders. Yeah, remember Head and Shoulders? I had a guy that's head and shoulders as a 93% win rate. I think this clown said he's banned for life from the system, or until he apologizes. He's too dumb. He's not apologizing. So yeah, he said that Head and Shoulders, because he saw some little article on it. So I did a little show on it. I did a show on I called it Head and Shoulders. I debunked it in the first 10 seconds of looking online live. Harvard or somebody did some kind of study on it. Needless to say, Head and Shoulders not even, they can't even, it's too subjective. They can't use it. No professional traders are using it with any kind of obvious good results. So they can't use it. It's useless. It's too subjective. They don't know where the head is, the shoulder is, where anything is. So see ya. And then there's the broken clock. After finding your system, I can't remember shit. Erica. It is all bullshit. It is all bullshit. It is all bullshit. So no one's going to sit here out of 70 traders and adults, maybe 80 now, and argue with me. No one can sit here and argue with me. I got to add this little picture to our little thing, by the way. I'm confused on because people will try to combine my system with other things. Oh, here's your answer. Everybody all at once now. I'm going to zoom in a little bit. What is this right here? Everybody. Buy stop or sell stop. What's right inside of this area right here? Go. What is that? A buy stop or a sell stop? Everybody. Oh, I don't like the bottom of that, so I'll have to go. I'm sure there's a faster one. We'll just stay. Well, matter of fact, fuck it all. We'll just stay. Look at the earnings. See the earnings in green? You see the earnings in green? Red, 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 green, red, red, sell stop to where? Sell stop to where? Everyone. Is this a sell stop or a buy stop? No one's answering on TikTok? 20 of you watching and there's no one answering on TikTok? I love you guys, but I'm going to have to ditch TikTok if I don't get answers on TikTok. Are you kidding me? If I don't see answers on YouTube, I'm out of YouTube. We won't even do a closed session today. There it is. Don't give me no shit that the safety trade system didn't call this out before it happened and on multiple time levels. Yeah. We showed sell stops. There's a 4-hour sell stop. There's a 1-hour sell stop. There's a 30-minute. There's a 20-minute sell stop. There's a 15-minute sell stop. There's a 12-minute sell stop. There's an 11-minute sell stop. Okay, those are all current, sorry. And by the way, it's going to start to flip and come back up because this created a higher buy stop. Boom. Sell, sell, sell. 7-hour sell. 9-hour sell. 10-hour sell. 12-hour sell. Daily sell. Oh, shit. That's a daily to the blue line? Oh, we might have to start trading Microsoft again. 12-hour daily sell stop to the 12-hour blue line, which is already hit. It's going to ricochet, come back up. Boy, Microsoft better be careful. This is a daily sell. Oh, there you go. Weekly, 3-weekly buy stop. This is interesting. I'm going to call this. Remind me in the private group to call this so you guys can make a shit ton of money on this. Private group Microsoft options. All right. I would absolutely. Wow, there's a way to make a shit ton of money. When I go private, I'll explain it to you guys. Where can I put this that maybe I won't forget to do that? Let's say not likely. Okay. So 12-hour sell, daily. Oh, shit. You guys can't see it over there. Daily. Here, let's go over here. Let's just stay in this one little indicator group right here. So let's see. We have inside of here, just so you're looking inside of one spot, a daily sell before their earnings come out, a 12-hour sell stop before their earnings come out. Their great earnings come out, by the way. Let's get that cleared up. 10-hour sell before their earnings come out, 9-hour sell before their earnings come out, 7-hour sell before their earnings come out. Matter of fact, let me send this over to somebody. Let's start over on that one. All right. I got to do this, make this kind of quick. So I'm going to review this for you guys again and again. All right, peeps. So here you go. There was a 2-hour sell before Microsoft's earnings came out, a 3-hour sell before, a 4-hour sell stop before Microsoft earnings comes out. No one can explain why it went down but my system. 5-hour sell stop, 7-hour sell stop. You see it over there? Red, 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 green, red, red. 9-hour sell stop, 10-hour sell stop, 12-hour sell stop, all before their earnings came out, daily sell stop. There you go. One of my family members would wake up to hearing that and be like, what the fuck, huh? Oh, yeah. Does everybody see the sell stops? Yes or no? What's up, fat bastard? We're here for Naz. You're here for Naz. You're here because I allow it. Say good morning and speak nicely, fat bastard, or I'll throw your ass so fucking fast out of this. Okay, whatever. What's up, Super Z? Good morning, Super Z. We're here for Naz. You're here because I allow you to be here, so fuck off. Mr. Cold starts laughing. Good morning, John. All right. Are we all clear? Well, the private group coming up here shortly has a shit ton of money coming towards it because this Microsoft is a beautiful thing. Beautiful thing. Oh my God, Microsoft. All right. And yeah, my notes over there. Okay. And someone wanted me to look at Litecoin. Ooh, do I have time? I do. Let me make a real quick look at Litecoin. Good morning, Brada. Yes, Dennis, to the blue line, you're correct. Good morning, Bass. All right, Litecoin, 12-hour sell. First thing I look at, everything I see is right here on the sniper rifle. You imagine somebody on TikTok trying to tell me how to run my show. Clown world. It ain't happening on this station, peeps. Go fucking find some other losers you want to listen to. It ain't going to be me. 1 second, 5 second. There's something happening here. So I see a buy stop going to the 1 minute blue line. Let's just call it real quick. 1 minute. Buy Litecoin to $64.76. Now, what's happening up here? I can see the downward. So it looks like Litecoin is in a daily sell. That's not good for Litecoin. Nope, it is. All right, let's take a look. Oops, hold on. I can't see that. Let me go back over here. Sell 3 week. Still a 3-month buy. 3-month buy. Still monthly. Monthly, 3 monthly buy stop. Weekly, 3 weekly sell. $38 and make it whatever. $40.94, we'll call it. It can go down to as low as that. when it reverses, and you'll see it reverse, take any 30-minute buy stop you can. I don't like the 3-month is so high. The monthly is not, though. The weekly, 3 weekly. Much better. There's the weekly. Can't really hold, though. That's the problem. How high? So let's see. It's take profit. It'll flip, come back to 70. 7 minutes to market. 7 minutes to market open. $75.63, $97.39, $115, $130, somewhere around there. I'd probably start taking profits. Eventually, it'll go over $180.80, and that is for Litecoin.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Kind of shocked we ain't seen it go yet, but when it pops, it'll pop with Bitcoin and all the rest of them. Not likely. It'll be posted, Barani, as it always is over here. Oh, sorry. Barani asked, I won't be able to make. No, I'm not handwriting that shit out. That fucking ain't happening. But if you go into the Discord room and you go under typed out call outs, you'll see it in there, Barani. You should know that, actually. All of you need to know that. These are where my call outs for the private groups are right there for you. Typed out Kev's private call outs under the private thing, so you could see it there. You're welcome, card man. Oh, what do you know? 4 people left me on TikTok. Woe is the. I'm devastated. People are weird. Woo, this is a mess. All right, what the fuck is going on here? Either we're going to a downward trend or an upward trend. Who knows? I don't know. Let's see. Things are flipping. We need to go to NAS and NQ1 on the 5-second. Oh, this looks good. Ooh. 5-second, 10-second. Let's see. Ooh, that looks bad. 5-second. It's dropping. Oh, come on. I wanted to go up for the open. 1 second sell, 5-second. 10-second, 15-second buy. Oh, it's dropping too hard. 45-second. Ah, man. Buy stop to the 5-second. Ah, shit. It's already doing. No. Da-da, doop, da. Hold on. Let me grab this shit real quick. That's what I'll put over. Now, let's sit here and wait. What do I want to? Hold on here. Let's just sit here and wait for a minute. I want to see something. Where am I at? The 5-second? Yeah. Hold on. Yes. To the 5. Oh, I lost my reminder note. Da 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 da. Okay. 3 minutes to market open. 3 minutes to market open. Do not play market open.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
If you're going to play market open, make sure you move in and out really quickly. Good morning, Brian. You're welcome. Yeah. I'm going to hold right here. Let me stay right here. 3 minutes to market open. I'm looking really closely at NQ1 and NAS. I'm looking really closely at a buy stop. So just patience right here. This is a 5-second. It's a sell right now. I see that. I'm just going to wait and see if we can't pull off a buy here on NAS. If we can get in on NAS, I'll let you know. I'm going to put my entries somewhere right around there-ish. And then we're going to come here. You're in the money on that buy. You have about a minute and a half to market open. You're in the money on the buy. You can close on that trade if you like. Feel free. Good morning, everybody on TikTok, YouTube, and Twitch. I'm going to go to the private live immediately after this. So speaking of which, I'm looking for a buy stop on NASDAQ open. You're already in the money on that trade. I just showed you my entry. Take your profits, take your profits, take your profits on NAS. 1 minute to market open. Please do not play market open.
Demo trade only.
You're already in the money.
Financial advisor.
You already made money on that trade. You should close down your trade. Take your money and run. Don't be greedy. Yay. Well, that was a nice little morning. I'm going to leave just 3 trades opened. I already have my take profits locked in. If we can get you in again, I will. This is a 5-second sell on NQ and NAS, but I'm looking for the buy. I'm only looking for in the money again, in the money again, in the money again. Take the money and run before market open. You don't have to stay in. Take the money and run. Look how gorgeous that is. Perfect trade. You can already close it before market open. Now we'll just wait again. US 30YM1 buy stops 5 seconds. You're in the money. You're in the money. Take your money and run. You're in the money. You're in the money. You're in the money. You're in the money. Woo! Take your money and run, honey. Take your money and run. Look at it go up. You're in the money. Close down your trades. You're in the money. There's no need to hold these open. Take them. Run. Run. Oh, shit. Why can't I close? Hold on. Take your money and run. 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 Nice. Gorgeous trades. Gorgeous trades, gorgeous trades, gorgeous trades. Oh my God. Look at that money go. Oh my gosh. Take that money and run. I left one open. I left my runner open. Run, Forrest, run. Take that money and run, honey. Take that money and run. Oh my gosh. Boom. Buy stop all the way winners across the board. You're welcome. You're welcome, Kev. You're welcome, Martar. Thank you, God. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Take your money and run. Don't be greedy little piglets. Just take the money and run. Oh my gosh. Look at that money. Oh my gosh. Look at that money. Again and again and again. I stayed on this live and called it with you, even though I didn't want to. Beautiful. What's up, Matt Parker? What's up, Matt? Thank you, Jacob, for speaking up, Jake. There you go. It was another 5-second buy stop forming. Wasn't that amazing? There's another 5-second going. It's going to come up. It's going to arch up, come right back up again, and go past $25,784.64. You're welcome.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
That was fun. All right. Does anybody have any questions on how I made those calls? Buy the system. Come over, all you newbies out there. The system is step by step. It'll walk you through everything. There it is, thesafetytrade.com. I have to make up a Zoom meeting. So hold on a second here. I'm looking over my 4-leaf. That was fun. See how easy it is? Oh my God, trading is so much fun. Where is it? Safety group. Nope, don't want that. We need to schedule one. We need to go over here. What's today's date? 1:30. Yep. This is the private VIP and demo. And this is, what day and time is this? 9:30. Oh, yeah. Oh, not 10 then. So we'll make it 9:30. No. 9:45. No. Yeah, passcode. No waiting room. Oh my God, it drives me nuts. They automatically record the meeting. Save. All right. Now, how do I get this out to them? Copy invitation. Copy. Good morning, everybody. Next day meeting. Yeah, I think it's this one. Duplicate. Don't annihilate. Lack of education. Total annihilation. Okay, it's being posted in the Discord. Upcoming meetings. Zoop. Diddy doop. And let's send it out over here. Purchasers. Yep, that is the right people. That is the right. We're excluding them. Let's get this one right here. And then next Tuesday and Wednesday, we're going to have a shit ton of lives. All right. Let me know when you receive an email, please. Anyone that's in the private VIP group, please let me know when you receive an email. Good morning, MC. Well, there's a few of you that actually thank God. Okay, that's cool. You don't have to thank me. Thank God. I don't want any of this shit. I hate showing myself on the fucking screen. Well, that was easy. You're welcome, Martar. Good morning, 501 Pan Fishing. Missed a nice, easy open. Simple. And when you come over to this, our main site here, the safetytrade.com, learning system, blah, 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 safe trade, blah, blah, blah. All these right here, this is the one I would get, the 575. I wouldn't waste my time with the $1,000 one. It's too much money. The small classes are 3, 4 people, 10 people. Sometimes we have 20, but it's still a very small class. Email received. No, I said, tell me when the email is received, not in the Discord. Email received, says Taraya Edwards. Thank you, Miss Taraya. All right, TikTokers, got to run. Hope you guys had fun. Hope you enjoyed that. Talk to y'all later. God bless. All right. YouTube, Twitters, and Twitchers, and all you guys got to go also on there. Hold on. Take that off there. Move that over to there. Okay. All right. Ending the stream. You're welcome, Dennis. Paul received email. Got it. All right. You know what? I don't think I got mine. Oh, that came through though. Hold on. Okay. And then we got about 1 hour for this group. Right there, and that's our hour. All right, guys. God bless y'all on thing. Have a great weekend. I'm sure I'll be on. Pretty sure I'll be on a day or two over the weekend. God bless y'all. Everybody have a blessed weekend, though. Make great memories with people you love. Remember, life is short.